this is Busy Pro 3 channel. In today's video, I will show you how to find deleted videos on TikTok. Before we get started, don't forget to subscribe and turn on the notification to keep you updated about this channel. So let's go! TikTok has emerged as one of the most widely used social media applications globally, with millions of users engaging in content consumption and video uploads. In the event that you unintentionally delete a video on TikTok, there may be possibility of recovering it. So how to do it? How if you want to find the deleted video on your TikTok and you want to recover it? You can just open your TikTok, of course. Now you can just tap on your profile. From here, you can tap on the upper right corner, the three lines over here. Tap on settings and privacy. Now you can just scroll down on content and display section. There is an option activity center. You can just tap on that. You can scroll down and there is an option recently deleted. You can just tap on that. And here's all the videos on your TikTok that you've just deleted. If you want to recover, you can just choose and there is an option restore. You can just tap on that. So simple, right? So that is how to find deleted videos on TikTok. Don't forget to like and subscribe and turn on the notification to keep you updated about this channel. Thank you and see you.